Welcome to Ivaintures. This is part 2 of my longest trip ever. Make sure you check out part 1 first to understand how I found myself here in Korea today. Thank you so much for watching. These are my favorite memories from my trip in Korea. I don't know why they were expecting 2 people, but it's just me.
원래 2명 아니에요?
right there.
1명이라고 그랬는데?
Oh, 18, right there. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get
한 명이라는데? What?
just one, just me. Just me. Nobody else.
한 명이래요. 네.
So let's see what the South Korean ATM machine looks like. Okay. Alright, no English. That's good. Insert your card at left one. Okay. This is so confusing. I don't even know. You know what? This one is easier. Let me try this one. At least this one I can see. Cash withdrawal. Okay. I don't see. This ATM English. Oh my goodness.
ATM 거래 화면을 참고하여 카드 불법 복제기 부착 여부에 유의.
Man, I was freaking out. Here. Wow. This is a little bit intimidating, I have to tell you guys. Wow.
지금 서류 중이오니 카드를 받으십시오.
It doesn't work. I don't understand. So guys, I'm trying to activate my my eSIM, and these are the prices for 1 day, 6,000, 5 days, 27,000 won. 27,000 won is like $20, $21. You know, these new iPhones, they don't have physical SIM cards anymore. They have eSIMs. So I've actually never done that before. This is gonna be a first one, and I'm still not able to use the ATM. I don't know what's going on. So I got my driver here. Hopefully we can find something. Hey. Driver here. Hopefully we can find something. Hey. Yeah.
클릭.
Yeah?
태계로 클릭.
Yeah, no, I need the SIM.
시간 많이 걸려요? Your name?
Ivan, that's me. Yeah.
2명인데
No.
One man.
Just one.
Oh, just me?
Just me. Just me. And nobody else. Yeah. Show me the name. He still doesn't believe it's me. I already told him it's me like 5 times. He still doesn't believe me. Yeah, it's just me, man. It's just me. You believe me now? Credit card. Okay. All right. There you go. So 27,001, it gives me 5 days of data, $20. But you know, instead of dealing with Verizon $10 a day, that still comes up cheaper. Okay. All right. Great. I get more instructions. They won't do it for me here. Keep this in mind, guys, when you come here. All right.
5 days.
Okay.
With the QR code. Line click.
Okay.
Here and here. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I get my magnet. Perfect. Thank you so much. All right. Let's go. ATM. This guy's not gonna like me here. Oh boy. Let's go. So guys, this is Incheon Airport. It's actually the largest airport in Korea, South Korea. Another thing I should say, it has been rated as the number 4th best airport in the world. I will have to disagree with this ATM I just dealt with, but whatever, they have different criteria. I'm breathing some South Korean air. They finally helped me with my luggage. Jesus. So they have a golf course in here. They have private bedrooms. Look at this. People are freezing their butts off over here. So yeah, they have golf courses. They have all kinds of stuff. And they say it's rated the 4th best in the world. I hope the camera will pick this. It is so cold out here right now. Man. So let's go. Welcome to South Korea. Hopefully I can pay this gentleman somehow. So I'm staying at a specific place on booking.com, and they offered me a service to pick me up. I'm sure I'm probably overpaying compared to what if I had to get a cab. But honestly, I was so freaking out already about coming here. I was not trying to stress myself even more. I wanted someone with my name to pick me up, but even though he has my name, he still doesn't believe it's me. He had to check my passport like 5 times. My gosh, it's crazy. So guys, this is, if I go missing, this is the company right there. So if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm okay. That means I uploaded the video just fine. Kindly subscribe and check out my other videos. This is Ivaintures in South Korea, in the beautiful city of Incheon, and now we're gonna drive to Seoul. All right, good. Okay, automatic door, nice. Let's get in there. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Whew. I thought I lost my phone. Whew. You don't want to do that. Whew. Whew. Addresses, everything. It's a very interesting time to come to Asia right now because China is experiencing an increase, a surge in COVID cases. They're saying they could be dealing with close to 5,000 deaths a day, but they're not reporting it. Is it true or false? I have no idea. But they're requiring this mask here in Korea, and with all this traveling, because all these countries around, Japan just opened, Hong Kong just loosened up their COVID protocols, South Korea just loosened theirs. With all that influx of traveling, a lot more people are coming. There's a possibility that people get sick more and more. So it's a very interesting time to come. But I am vaccinated, and I do wear a mask when required. So that's what it is. You know, we'll see what we can do here. So the local time is 4:20. We're leaving the airport. Let's see how long before we get to the hotel. Start to see buildings. It's like, where am I? Oh my gosh. So finally, I think we're getting closer and closer to the city of Seoul itself. I'm thinking. One thing I want to point out here, Google Maps does not work here. So they have their own apps that you can access. Because usually I'm able to track where I'm going on the phone, but I cannot do that here. Because I haven't downloaded those apps just yet, but I will. 30 minutes, still in the taxi. Fully immersed in Korean traffic at this point. It's the late afternoon, so it makes sense. It's a long ride from Incheon to Seoul, half an hour. Sit in the vehicle, so I'll let you guys know how long it takes. Seoul welcomes you. That's the sign we're passing right now. So I can officially say I'm in Seoul. Yeah. Looks like they have that heat going on strong in that bus right now, because look how foggy that is. It is so cold. So instead of just booking a hotel room, I noticed they have here in Korea what they call guest houses. I don't know what a guest house is. And I tried to do some research on this and I'm still a little bit confused. It's not an Airbnb. It's not a hotel. It's a smaller accommodation. So that's what I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be at this place called Myeongdong Guest House, and they say it's the best area to stay in Seoul, Myeongdong area, because you are walking distance to a bunch of things. I'll be showing you know that content as well. But you know, let's go find out what the freaking guest house is. I have no idea. The description on booking.com says it's the best location to stay. But to keep in mind with that, the rooms are small. But again, I don't care. As long as I have the internet and a comfortable bed, I'm good. Because I'm going to be spending most of my time exploring the area anyways. I'm tired today. You know, being jet lagged is not easy. You leave a different day, you come a different day, a different time. It's like, wow, I'm completely lost right now. Still in the vehicle. At this point, we are 50 minutes. So close to an hour riding around. Guys, I'm still in the car. I'm still in the car. And at this point, we're pushing an hour and 40 minutes. An hour and 40 minutes, and I can see it's a very, very crowded area. Lots of people, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just it's dark, so I don't know how much this will capture, but it's very crowded there. Lots of lights. Kind of reminds you a little bit of Times Square. I have no idea where I am, guys. I'm completely lost. So I translated on my Korean translator.
카드로 결제할 수 없다면 여전히 현금이 필요하다는 점을 잊지 마세요.
Hey,
Okay.
캐시.
Cash? I don't have cash. I have
너 캐시?
no cash. No.
그럼
No cash.
여기 카드가
Card.
88,000원.
He knew I don't have cash. We were
카드?
looking. Card is fine.
오케이.
Card 88. Okay. Light. Okay. He knew I don't have any cash, guys. Yeah. So now, here you go.
Just a moment.
So now I'm gonna use my card, and yeah, the Korean coming out of that Google Translate, it sounds legit. Oh man. So I'm using my debit card. I'm gonna see if it works. If my bank doesn't block it, then I'm gonna use my credit card. But I haven't been very lucky with debit when I travel like this. It's just ridiculous sometimes. Let's see what happens.
8만.
Okay.
오케이.
Okay.
사인.
Sign?
오케이.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, amazing. My bank didn't block it. Nice. Alright. Now I just need my suitcase. Okay, where is it? Where?
여기 금방이에요.
Huh?
여기 금방.
Where? Which one?
해요? 뭐야?
No. I don't know. It's this one. Myeongdong Guest House. Come on.
맨도 여기 금방이지. 점.
Okay. He's supposed. Okay. He's supposed to take me to the place. He's like, go around the corner. Like, where? I'm lost, guys. My Google Maps don't work. I'm like so confused. Oh man, he's leaving me? Ah! There's nobody here. Hello? Hello? Oh my my god. This is crazy.